So once we've established a point, now we're rolling for the point. And so the only two numbers that matter right now would be whatever the point is on. So if we rolled an 8 previously, an 8 will pay the pass line 1-to-1, or a 7. And if a 7 rolls, then they lose their bet. Now we're just going to pay them 1-to-1 on the pass line if this 8 rolls. However, we're going to tell them once the point comes on to put some odds behind the pass line. So they're going to put some more chips behind their bet on the pass line. And the reason they're going to do that is because if this 8 rolls, they're only going to get 1-to-1 on that. But any money they put behind the pass line, they're going to actually get paid true odds on that bet behind the pass line. So the odd payout would be for 6 and 8, we pay 6-5. For 5 and 9, we pay 1.5-to-1. And for 4 and 10, we pay 2-to-1. And here's what those payouts are going to look like. So 2-to-1, we're going to pay 1 for the front. And in the back, we're going to take 2 stacks of chips, and we're just going to match them. So we're going to pay 2 on the 2 in the back and 2 on the 2 in the back. So that's going to be the total payout for that if the point were a 4 or a 10, and we pay 2-to-1. If the point were a 5 or a 9, it's going to be a little different. For 5 and 9, the payout is 1.5-to-1. So we're going to pay 1-to-1 in the front on the pass line, and then behind the pass line, we're going to pay them 1.5-to-1. So if their bet behind the pass line is 10, we're going to give them 15. We're just going to match the first stack and then give half of that first stack back there. For 6 and 8, these two, the payout is 6-5. And so 6-5, we're going to pay out 6 for every 5. So they bet 10 in the back, we're going to pay them 12.